Yet another initiative to persuade more people to get the jab. This time a joint effort between government, traditional and religious leaders, organised labour and business. The Vooma Vaccination Weekends will see pop-ups set up across the country.
On the weekend, we want to hit 1 million. We want to hit 1 million. So Ninage, all of you, I want you to go back to your homes, go and fetch your friends, your other relatives, nibalete la ukuthi beze bazovaccinate. Mobile vaccination is free, but more importantly, vaccination, it saves lives.
The partnership hopes to bolster efforts to vaccinate 17 million people by the end of the year.
We are aware that most of our traditional community, they believe in traditional medicine, which there's nothing wrong about it. But we understand that vaccine will play the most important role because it boosts the immune system. And eventually, at the end of the day, people must be healthy. So that is why, as traditional, we are coming along that line to assist our government.
The bishop says churches now want larger numbers of their congregants to be able to allow to worship. She says that they're happy at level 1, but their congregants are more than the 700 that is allowed. The president also visited a nearby taxi rank.
And vaccinate 60% of South Africans over the age of 60 and 50% of the people between the ages of 50 to 59 have now received at least one vaccine dose.
At midnight, Ramaphosa relaxed the country's lockdown to level 1. He says the decision was squarely based on science and has dismissed criticism that it was premature. South Africa has 1 month to its local government elections.
I totally reject the nexus that is trying to be created between vaccinations and elections. I'm here today as the President of the Republic. Minister Motsoaledi is here and the Mayor is also here. We are here as government officials, drumming up support for vaccination. This has been in the making for quite a while, this type of drive. And it's largely because the vaccination numbers have been going down and we need to ramp them up. And through ramping them up this morning only, I mean, we've had a number of other people coming to vaccinate. So what can be wrong with that? Everything is right about that. Now, I reject people who say, no, we are electioneering. This is not about electioneering. When I electioneer, I wear my ANC t-shirt, my ANC lumber, and my language is completely different from what I'm saying now.
And on relaxing South Africa's lockdown to level 1?
There has been some criticism on the basis that you did say that 700 people are allowed indoors, 2,000 outside. But what is the logic then behind having 100 people attend a funeral?
And the announcement to ease the restrictions was based on the advice from our experts, the Medical Advisory Committee and the Department of Health. Whilst they are still worried about gatherings being super spreader events, they did say for outdoor we could increase it to 2,000. Because outdoors, if people are wearing masks, there's a lot of breeze and air that circulates. So the danger of rampant infections is a bit limited.
Chris Alder Lewis, SABC News in Katlehong.